In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best vibration plate exercise machines on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best vibration plate exercise machines on Amazon. Number 1, AXV Vibration Plate Fitness Platform Exercise Machine, Full Body Workout Vibrating Shaker, Weight Loss Fat Burner Shake Board for home gym and office use. Full Body Workout Machine activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously to improve strength, balance, and flexibility. Effective weight loss support helps boost metabolism and burn calories with vibration-based training. Multiple speed levels and modes customize your workout intensity with adjustable vibration speeds and preset programs. Compact and portable design, perfect for home, office, or small spaces, easy to store and move. Anti-slip platform and stability, designed with a secure surface to ensure safe and stable workouts. Quiet operation, low noise motor allows you to exercise without disturbing others. Remote control, convenience, easily. Number 2, HVX Vibration Plate Exercise Machine with Bluetooth, Full Body Vibrating Fitness Platform Shaker, Power Shaping Workout Board for home gym. Full body workout platform engages core, legs, and upper body muscles simultaneously for improved strength, balance, and flexibility. Bluetooth connectivity, connect your device to play music while you exercise for a more enjoyable and motivating workout session. Multiple speed levels and modes customize intensity with adjustable vibration speeds and preset workout programs to suit all fitness levels. Power shaping and weight loss support helps stimulate muscles, boost circulation, and support calorie burning for body toning and fat loss. Anti-slip and stable design, textured platform surface ensures secure footing during workouts for enhanced safety. Compact home gym equipment, space-saving design makes it ideal for home, apartment, or office use. Quiet motor operation, low noise performance allows you to exercise anytime without disturbing others. Remote control, convenience, easily adjust settings and modes without interrupting your workout. Upgrade your home fitness routine with the HVX Vibration Plate Exercise Machine, a powerful and versatile solution for full body training. Number 3, Trekora Vibration Plate Exercise Machine, 250 speed levels, full body vibrating fitness platform for lymphatic drainage, weight loss and home gym workout for women and men. 250 adjustable speed levels, fine-tune your workout intensity from gentle recovery to high performance training for all fitness levels. Full body workout platform activates muscles throughout the body to improve strength, balance, flexibility, and overall fitness. Lymphatic drainage support, gentle vibrations help stimulate circulation and support lymphatic flow for wellness and recovery. Weight loss and fat burning enhances calorie burn and metabolism, helping support weight management goals. User-friendly design for everyone, suitable for beginners and advanced users. Ideal for both women and men. Anti-slip surface and stable build provides secure footing and stability for safe workouts. Compact and space-saving, perfect for home use with easy storage in small spaces. Quiet and smooth operation, low noise motor allows comfortable workouts anytime without disturbance. Number 4, HOTWAVE Vibration Plate Exercise Machine for lymphatic drainage, full body power vibrating fitness platform, weight loss and home gym shaping workout. Full body vibration workout activates muscles across your entire body to improve strength, balance, and flexibility. Lymphatic drainage support, gentle vibration helps promote circulation and supports natural lymphatic flow for recovery and wellness. Weight loss. Number 5, ENOWPO Vibration Plate Exercise Machine with Bluetooth and resistance bands. Full body vibrating fitness platform shake board for weight loss and home gym workout. Pink full body workout platform engages core, legs, and upper body muscles simultaneously for improved strength, balance, and flexibility. Built-in Bluetooth speaker, connect your phone to enjoy music while working out for a more fun and motivating experience. Includes resistance bands, add upper body training to your routine for a complete total body workout. Weight loss and fat burning support helps boost metabolism, improve circulation, and support calorie burning. Multiple speed levels and modes customize workout intensity with adjustable vibration speeds and preset programs. Anti-slip and stable design. Secure, textured platform ensures safe and confident workouts. Compact and stylish design. Space-saving size with an attractive pink finish, perfect for home or apartment use. Quiet and smooth operation. Low noise motor allows you to exercise anytime without disturbing others. Easy control and setup. User-friendly controls for quick adjustments and hassle-free operation. Elevate your home fitness routine with the ENOWPO vibration plate exercise machine, designed to deliver a powerful and efficient full-body workout. This vibrating fitness platform helps activate muscles more effectively, improving strength, balance, and flexibility while supporting weight loss and body toning goals. Equipped with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts during workouts, making each session more engaging and enjoyable. The included resistance bands add extra versatility, allowing you to target your arms, shoulders, and upper body for a complete workout experience. With multiple speed levels and preset modes, you can easily adjust the intensity to match your fitness level.